birthday. Your boy.
Hey, get birthday again.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people, today I just want to send a happy birthday shout out to Dancing Rebel. So you know the Dolly them live right today a Rebel birthday, and our friend them a celebrate from last night, and this morning early then we wake her up and give her a big gift. But people, not that alone, today is my birthday too. You see me? So when you don't know how the thing go, Rebel and my birthday twin, so me have to represent for her. You see me? So I have the video them me I go show you, and we are going to start with the one from last night because that would only make sense. Then I go show you how go on this morning. So again, happy birthday to Rebel and happy birthday to everybody else who is having a birthday today. I know a couple of people have the birthday yesterday. Happy birthday to them. And then tomorrow, I know a couple of people who have birthday tomorrow coming up too. So happy birthday to everyone, right? So without any further ado, take a look. Here goes.
Yeah, how many today? You gonna be 33. Bala. Yeah. Bala. Birthday come catch you in the kitchen. You're gonna be a housewife, girl. Bala. White tea. White tea. White tea, white blood clot tea. Alone rice for birthday. Whoa. Just a weird, eh? Cook for your birthday, girl. Cook for your birthday, girl. You're not done. Girl, get your plate cooked. But for them, I say you like one of the yellowest one. Give me that one here. Christina Aguilera. Happy Yo. Hello. Christina Nelson. How old are you today? 3. How old? 3. Sing it, TC. No, I'm not have the ugly filter for you. What was the next item? Sing now. In the ugly panya. You're not going to stare.
Let me see it.
I know the ugly ones. See? I know my feet.
Stop rubbing me.
It's your birthday, you can cry if you want to laugh, I want to scream.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. Even if you only go to my house, sipping rice and macaroni and some mackerel. Feels good when your belly it feels.
Birthday.
Hey people, Rebel and our friend them a drama class, you know, especially TC. Yeah, telling you. So when you see what go on, you know how the thing go. But people, like I said this morning again, them start it again and them come with a load of presents. She get whole heap of gift, whole heap and whole heap of gift. You see me? So I'm going to stop chat and make you see what go on.
Morning! The dolly them coming present for the girl in our room early morning. Look at that. Only per present. Only per present. Only per present. Yes, alright, the first present taken from me.
First up.
Yeah.
Steer again.
So you ask for the steering cover and the dolly get the steering cover for your girl with a favorite color. Yeah.
Gather, mother, gather.
Gira mara gira.
Gather, mother, gather.
Gira mara gira.
Gather, mother, gather.
Tori.
Tori, I couldn't Cindy.
I want other yeah. My daughter, your girl, me just a member. Me just a member, girl. My daughter. Hey, get birthday again. When you get sandals or sneaks, you don't leave the bag. Wanna no go on home, wanna no go on home, wanna no go on home. In the early morning. This again to the Shelly Belly girl. What's about the situation?
Yo. Anglet, man.
Anglet.
Angle triangle. Angle triangle.
Yeah, you know your friend all the way American, the girl send gift, come here.
Yeah, but which is right.
Yeah.
By lie.
Your friend the American, your friend send gift, come here. Polly big up you. I see, and this is a Polly birthday gift too. Polly give the girl a sip as if your birthday.
Yeah, like a bad bitch. But man.
Yeah, that's gift from me. Yeah, you know my gifts. Yeah, straight out of Diamond Couture, good things. Poly gifts, straight out of Diamond Couture, good things. Right. Pretty gift, straight out of Diamond Couture. Yeah. Diamond Couture.
Yeah, people, so let's see what go on, right? So everybody does go in the comment section, give your happy birthday shout out to see me. And anybody will shout me out, thanks in advance. So I say thank you all. This year has been a wonderful year for me. I really realize that some people really genuinely like me online, like, you know what I mean, as a person, and they never know me, but people are look for me when I'm gone, so I say, and that does make me feel great. I talked about it before, but you know I'm missing from Instagram, and I say months after me I talk about up till this morning somebody text me, and it's like 4 or 5 months now, you see me? So with that, I just feel like really appreciated, and like people really care about what I do. I mean, I just waste my time. I want to thank everybody for that who support me. But people, big up on yourselves, stay safe out there, you know what I mean? I go enjoy for my birthday, so no big up on yourself. All right, I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.